Hi there folks, Practical Not Tactical Dad here. Another video for you. Today's video is going to be on modding your Kershaw Link to accept a deep rod pocket clip. Not just any deep rod pocket clip, you may ask. It is a borrowed pocket clip off of a Kershaw Intelect model 1810. That's right folks, it is a borrowed pocket clip. All you gotta do is take the old pocket clip off of your Link, which is not a deep ride. Nothing wrong with it, it hangs out a little over further than the pants than I like. Just not my liking. So we'll take that baby off, which by the way is a T6 screw. Save those screws, don't lose them screws, you're gonna need them. Because the screws on the Intelect are a T7 screw, which normally doesn't matter, but the thread pitch and diameter does. And you will see in a moment why it does. They are beefier, bigger threads and beefier bolts, as you see there. Definitely a big size difference. They're about the same length, but see that? That's a big deal. Alright, we're going to fix that by saving the old bolts to put in there. Holes line up perfectly. It's just when you do tighten this up, it's going to be a little wobbly because those holes are a little bigger on the pocket clip than they are on these screws. So you want to put a little blue Loctite and a little bit of extra pressure when you tighten these down, making sure not to round those little T6 screws because it will happen. You'll fuck them up quick. So be careful. Make sure you're nice and flat. All 6 of those points on those T-bits are locked in there. Give her a good push and turn. And look at that, folks. Brand new deep ride pocket clip. It didn't cost you $25 from some aftermarket store. And I paid $11 for this Intelect on Walmart.com. It might have been 11, 12 bucks. I got a beater knife. You know, I took a pocket clip off of it, but whoop-de-frickin' do. Throw it in your fishing vest, tackle box, beat it around. It's $12. Sure as hell beats paying for 25 bucks for a neodymium high-rise pocket clip. Thanks a lot. Practical Not Tactical Dad here, signing off.